All right, I'm going to show you a quick trick. You notice here that I had some problems doing the quilting. It wasn't working the way I had planned it in my head, so I had to rework it. And I thought it would be a good time to show you how I do that in my studio. So the first thing I do is I actually, when it's really stumping me, this is the piece in the pattern, and I actually reproduced it, mirror effect, and then I made a photocopy with my photocopier. So the reason why I use the photocopier is that this here is not erasable. You see, it's always there. So meaning that you can play along with your quilting with a regular pencil and lead pencil, and so you can erase it at any time. So the idea is that if you can't draw it on the paper with your pen, don't even bother starting to quilt it, because it won't come out right. So this is the design that I'm thinking of doing. Basically, I'm gonna I see that I have enough space here to do a double wreath up till about here. So I'm going to take the center line, make it work with each side so that it's nice, and then I'm going to go back down, and I'm going to start on this end, and I'm basically filling it in. And hopefully I'm going to like it at the end. You see, so there I would actually, well, let's do it. That's why I'm showing you live. So I'm erasing, doing the line once more, going back, going back, going back. And now I'm going to go back down here, and I'll be doing the other side, trying to get all the way to the bottom. And here I'm going to go back up here. Actually, always go this way. Don't do what I just did. And I'm going to try to just hook up right here and continue on a single line. So that's the idea of how I'm going to be doing my quilt. I was able to do it almost one shot on paper, so now I'm more comfortable to get it onto the quilt. But I'm showing you this video. It has to be quick so you don't get bored, but just so that you know that before I did that video, I did like tons of copies on this one. You can see how many times it was erased. So don't go thinking for a minute that that design was just drawn in 3 seconds, because it was calculated before the video. Okay, thanks.